You want to see my shirt? It says, don't be negative. Don't be negative. It's a reminder for me and maybe you. So take a listen. I'm Chef Daniela Malfitano, and welcome to My Choice Kitchen. This is a space for choosing joy. You know, I get a question a lot, which is, what is your favorite type of food to make? Is it Italian or Hispanic cuisine? Because my last name is Malfitano, and I have Hispanic heritage. But the true answer is no. My passion really is to make healthy food that you'll like to eat. I love to prepare easy, approachable recipes that even kids can make all on their own. Well, that's my style, and that's the intention for this show. Tonight, we are gonna make egg roll in a bowl. I know, very trendy. But I'm making egg roll in a bowl because I don't really like making egg rolls. It's one of those delicious foods, but it's very high in fat and it's very messy, and I like to keep it clean. So tonight, here are all the ingredients you might need to make this egg roll in a bowl. Of course, you can make it your choice egg roll in a bowl by mixing up the ingredients. So, are you ready to start cooking? Come on, let's go. Chop up the shelled and deveined shrimp into half-inch bite-sized pieces. If you're not a shrimp fan, try tofu or ground turkey. Boo, are you feeling it? Baby girl, are you feeling it? Are you feeling egg roll in a bowl? You feeling it. It smells like shrimp. Here we go. Ooh, you killing me. You're killing me. Chop out some green onions, the white and green parts, and then put them into your oiled pan at medium heat. Mix it up for about a minute, just until the onions are fragrant and translucent. Then drop in the shrimp and sauté them for 3 to 5 minutes. Add S&P to season, of course, and then when complete, remove the shrimp and onions from the pan and set it aside until later. And keep these shrimp out of the reach of the dog. Now we're gonna make the shredded carrots. Start by peeling the skin off 3 carrots, and then use your peeler to make ribbons. Gather the ribbons into piles to make it easier to chop them into small strips or shreds. You can also do this in a food processor or even just buy a bag of shredded carrots to make things extra easy. Using a large chef's knife, slice half a purple cabbage into quarters. I love purple cabbage because it's high in antioxidants and polyphenols that provide an anti-inflammatory effect inside the body. Turn the cabbage so that you're working against the grain and slice it up into thin strips. Drop this into a large bowl with the shredded carrots. Back to our pan. Heat up about a tablespoon of sesame seed oil and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm using frozen garlic cubes here, super easy. Drop in the veggies and let them start to cook down. Throw on a healthy amount of S&P, rice vinegar, and coconut aminos. And check out our last episode on rainbow sushi to learn more about coconut aminos because they're a great soy sauce substitute. As the veggies cook, chop up another green onion for garnish. Once the cabbage is wilted, then you can add any hoisin sauce or gluten-free hoisin and toss in the cooked shrimp. Mix this all up so the shrimp get a nice coat of sauce. And now we're ready to plate. This recipe makes 2 egg rolls in a bowl, or no, 2 bowls of egg rolls. Which is it? Doesn't matter. Garnish with your choice of toppings. I'm using green onions, sesame seeds, and I really like a little snip of fresh cilantro. Now we're ready to eat. Well, here you go, my love.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. That's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
All right, before we start, let's give this food a little love and gratitude. Thank you.
Thank you, Trippies.
Thank you, food. I don't know how to say bon appetit in Chinese. Do you?
I know to say thank you. Xie.
Okay, there you go.
That's good.
Moment of truth. Look at how purple this is. Now, traditional egg roll in a bowl does not actually use purple cabbage. It actually uses green cabbage, but I like to use the colorful vegetable.
Yeah.
Because
whenever there's a chance to use purple, I think that's what you go for. Gotta make it rainbow.
my egg roll.
Oh my egg roll. Oh my egg roll.
Yum!
Mm.
So good!
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I love it with shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
Yum, yum, yum.
Because before, we've done it with ground turkey before,
Mhm.
but shrimp gives a different flavor.
Really
I love
nice.
it.
Really great.
Mhm.
And I didn't just use the purple cabbage because it's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I also wanted to use it because I was feeling quite purple today. I don't know about you.
What does that mean to you? That you feel
I was wondering what questions. You know, just like purple, kind of like not quite nasty, not quite angry, but like getting there. You know, my sass was coming out, and that's like my purple head. That's like when I'm like, if one more thing happens, right? If one more thing happens, I might just blow a fuse and turn to blue.
Or maybe that's why you're wearing Don't Be Negative shirt?
Don't be negative.
Yeah.
Don't be negative.
Yeah.
Just take it easy and breathe it.
And,
Breathe through it.
and so do you cook kind of to represent your mood on some level?
I do. I cook according to how I want to feel and how I'm feeling. Sometimes, not all the time, but
Yeah. And the different foods or the colors actually represent moods.
for me,
Wow.
that's why I love rainbow so much, because it's this sort of diverse human spectrum of emotion, of like anything that you could feel.
Do you find it ironic, your passion for the rainbow and the colors, that you are getting married to somebody who is colorblind?
Oh, wow. I hadn't thought about that. That's all right, Bill. It's all right that you're colorblind. Does that mean that you can't tell if I'm like purple or if I'm like yellow or if I'm blue?
I just can't see color, and maybe I can't see color emotions sometimes, but you're helping me to see them, and that's the most beautiful part.
I'm just kidding. You totally can you're like one of the most emotionally intelligent people I know. You can absolutely identify when someone's feeling a certain way or when you're feeling a certain way. That's your like specialty. That's what drew me to you. And initially I was like, you like describe a situation so clearly. Like you see things so clearly. So even with your colorblind eyes.
Yes. Not emotionally blind eyes.
Not emotionally blind. I'm going to say goodbye to our friends, but you continue to eat. I'm going to continue to eat afterwards. But I want to say thank you guys so much for coming. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, you know where to find us. Come back for more because we have a ton in store for you here at My Choice Kitchen. We produce weekly videos. And you know what? We are crazy about social media. So get on there, connect with us. My Choice Kitchen is our handle. We want to see your egg roll in a bowl. So if you make this, definitely post it and hashtag My Choice Kitchen. And until next time, let's rejoice in choice. Bye, everyone. The moment you have been waiting for. Are you ready, little girl? Here we go. Up, up, up. Good girl. What do you think, boo? Yeah, you like egg roll in a bowl.